The story of the second atomic bomb is not what many imagine. It wasn't born from a heated, last-minute moral debate in the cockpit. It was the result of a system in motion, a procedural cascade that, once started, became almost impossible to stop. Early on August 9, 1945, the B-29 bomber boxcar lifted off from Tinian Island. Its payload was the powerful plutonium bomb, codenamed Fat Man. The primary target was the city of Kokura, home to one of Japan's largest munitions arsenals. But when the bomber arrived after a long flight, the city was invisible, completely obscured by a thick blanket of smoke and clouds from a nearby conventional bombing raid. The mission rules, drilled into the crew, were absolute. Bombing required direct visual confirmation of the target. They couldn't simply drop the world's most powerful weapon on radar coordinates. For almost an hour, boxcars circled high above Kokura, making 3 separate, tense bombing runs, burning through its precious fuel reserves with every passing minute. The options were dwindling fast. Returning to base with a 10,000-pound live atomic weapon was a catastrophic risk. A landing accident could vaporize the island base. Aborting the weapon over the ocean was not an authorized part of the mission plan. The bomb, the mission dictated, had to be dropped on a target. With fuel gauges dipping into the red, the mission commander, Major Charles Sweeney, made the only choice the procedure allowed. He diverted towards the secondary target, the industrial port city of Nagasaki. Even over Nagasaki, the weather was poor. The city was covered in clouds, but just as they prepared to abort and head for an emergency landing in Okinawa, a small, fleeting break in the clouds appeared. It was a tiny window, just enough for the bombardier to spot a landmark and make the drop. The final step of the procedure was executed. This was not a decision made in anger or passion. It was the mechanical outcome of a long chain of fuel calculations, weather reports, and inflexible mission rules. The fate of a city sealed by procedure.